Forget the old grind. What if I told you that by 2026, you could be earning serious cash with side hustles powered by AI and robots, all from your couch? We're not talking about basic gigs. We're diving into revolutionary income streams that barely existed a year ago. Prepare to see how accessible these cutting-edge tools really are and how they're transforming who gets to be an entrepreneur. We're not talking about dystopian robot takeovers, but empowering tools. For decades, the word robotics conjured images of massive, expensive machinery confined to factory floors, something completely out of reach for the average person. That era is officially over. Today, we're witnessing a new wave of personal, affordable, and intelligent automation that is democratizing creation and commerce. This isn't about replacing humans, but about augmenting our abilities. Think of it as having a team of tireless assistants, ready to execute your ideas 24/7. These tools handle the repetitive, tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on the creative, strategic parts of building a business. It's a fundamental shift from labor-intensive work to idea-intensive work. The landscape of work is shifting, creating unprecedented opportunities for individuals. The traditional 9 to 5 is no longer the only path to a stable income. The gig economy was just the beginning. Now, the creator and solopreneur economy is being supercharged by automation. Imagine designing a unique piece of jewelry and having a desktop robotic arm assemble it while you sleep. Picture an AI-powered hydroponics system in your garage growing rare herbs for local restaurants, managed entirely by sensors and automated nutrient dispensers. These aren't futuristic fantasies. They are tangible side hustles people are starting right now. The barrier to entry for manufacturing, agriculture, and personalized services has collapsed. Your garage can now be a microfactory, and your laptop a global command center. Today, anyone can access powerful automation previously reserved for corporations. The rise of open-source software, affordable 3D printers, low-cost microcontrollers like Arduino, and user-friendly robotic kits means the tools of production are in your hands. You don't need an engineering degree or a venture capital investment to get started. You can buy a robotic arm for a few $100s that can be programmed with simple, block-based code. You can use AI software to generate designs, which are then automatically sent to a laser cutter for production. This accessibility is leveling the playing field, allowing individual creators to compete with established businesses on quality and innovation. The power to build, create, and sell is no longer concentrated. It's distributed, and it's waiting for you to harness it. Welcome to the DIY automation revolution.